Hi everyone. Today actually I'm going to show you how to install a Windows 2022 server on Oracle VMware VirtualBox Manager. First, you have to click on New, type the name you want. I'll put test and ISO image which I have downloaded from the Microsoft site. I'll go to the location. I select it and it shows type Microsoft Windows and the version 2022. Just make sure to tick this skip unattended installation, then make it next. If you want to know about this skip unattended installation, just put a comment on my the comment area. So then I will explain you in detail. So I'll make it next. Sorry, I will rename the machine because I have already installed a machine called test. So I'll make it test 2. Next. Actually, for Windows 2022, the minimum RAM will be 2 GB. So I have already selected 2048 MB. So the minimum process will be 1 CPU. Make sure this should be unticked. I'll make it next. And the virtual hard disk space, the server 2022, the minimum hard disk space will be 32 GB. So I will select 32. Make sure untick those things, those two options. Next, and you will get the summary and click on finish. And the virtual machine created the call test 2. So after you created, it's by default it's powered off. You have to make it on. So there are two options to make it on. You can one option will be you can right click on the same and start, or you can go here the start option and start. Then you will see this screen popped up. So it shows the status of the powering up VM. You can see it's loading the files. You can click on next. Click on install now. Then it will begin the installation. You have to select Windows Server 2022 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience, or you can select Windows Server 2022 Data Center Evaluation. I hope you know what's the difference between standard and data center. So I will not explain you in detail, but if you want to know, just make a comment on my comment area. So don't make sure don't select this Windows Server 2022 Standard Edition, because if you install this version, it will run on PowerShell. It's not supporting on GUI. So make sure you have to every time when you install server, you have to select standard evaluation or standard desktop experience. Click on next. Click and next again. It's not an upgrade, it's a scratch installation. So make it on, I'll click on custom. Now you will see we already selected the disk space 32 GB. Now you can see the unallocated space here shows as 32 GB. Next. Now it's installing the OS. You know, this is actually this OS is a guest OS. You know why it's called guest OS? Any software which is installing on VMware hosted package it's automatically it's become guest OS. So in my first video, I explained you what is a hosted package. This is not a bare metal server. This Oracle VM VirtualBox I have installed on a Windows version. So on top of that only, I have installed Oracle this package. Normally, actually, I'll explain you again. I'll tell you again. So basically, the minimum specification for the Windows 2022 server is 2 GB RAM, 32 GB hard disk, one processor minimum, and 1.4 beyond 1.4 gigahertz speed. It's 52%. You can see if you see here on my mouse pointer, this is a virtual hard drive. So it's reading and installing. That's why it shows a red color. Otherwise, it should be green. If you want to clarify or if you want to know any technical detail or any technical thing, just send me an email or put whatever you want in my the comment area. So then I will explain you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you only how to install Windows Server. My other videos after this video, I will show you how to install a domain on this server and how to configure DHCP, DNS, and how to create a trust relationship between two servers. I will show you them in my later videos. Installing updates. And from where the location I will put in my comment area from where I downloaded this evaluation version. So from there, then you can download it easily. Don't press any key. Let it run. So almost done. Starting services. Getting device ready. The next screen will be you have to type the complex password. let it run. During the installation, don't click any key on the keyboard or mouse. It will help you to get the installation done smoothly. The VMware is restarting. Don't make sure don't press any key. Almost there. All right, you can type the password you want. I'll put test at 123 here. If you want, if you're not sure, you can make sure the password and click on finish. All right, we are there. Now you know we have to press Control Alt and Delete here to unlock the screen. You go Input, Keyboard, click on Control Alt and Delete. Type the password, test at 123, and there are some shortcuts also. I will mention in my video, so in my comment area, so then you can see. Instead of going input and press keyboard or control alt and delete, there's a keyboard, there's a shortcut which you can press on the keyboard, then you can straight away you can type the password. So installation done. The server manager screen will be launched. Normally you don't get this network up and running as soon as you install the VMware, unless you have configured the DHCP server on your host machine. So it's there, it's done. You can see local server, and if you want to see more details, you can go local server. You can see the computer name, work group, and IP4. So if you want to make sure that install RAM is there, yes, 2 GB, and total hard disk space which we allocated 32 GB is there. All right, I can close the screen. Okay, that's it from this video. My other videos will be installed. You can see I will show you how to install domain, sorry, yeah, how to configure domain on this server, and how to configure DNS, how to configure DHCP server. Thank you very much.